Okay, our papa, President, Dr. Reverend George Weah. Okay, I need your delegation of paper. For how many? And no, I beg matis. They are here on Hunja. The Pang Maba is an ahami. No need about people presentation born how. Okay,
thank you so much. I just want to read what the president of Liberia has penned down on this placard for the family and in relation to his relationship with the late Christian Atsu.
But President George Weah, eke Atsu cha ball fialo peji Atsu. Le ewo Atsu ka ebi, ewo Atsu ka enyimi, ewo Atsu ka a brother ne ibanange Ghana. Lo ipi plaque boko ke na ukeba ha ne ma no ku boke akane ha.
From the President of the Republic of Liberia, I am deeply saddened to hear the devastation news of the passing of my neighbor, my small brother, and my young friend, the late Christian Atsu.
President Okesio, Idowawe, time we educate a nothing a neighbor Atsu being
who was a victim of the recent earthquake in Turkey.
Ne earthquake only happened in Turkey. It doke Atsu earthquake boy.
I knew him personally and in his formative years in the game of soccer.
Ile Atsu time ne Atsu ngewa ne ball fian.
I had the opportunity to interact with him with his early training.
Time ne eje ball su si fian yo. Ina blo like seni.
And I'm a witness to it.
Eke inge jamano mekla a witness jamano mekla.
Because when the late Atsu was with Cheetah FC, and the former president, the president of Liberia used to train when he comes on holidays, and he used to tell Atsu, do this, don't do this, do this, like coaching him on the field. I have been there on several occasions with him. So the president is trying to express to everyone his, sincere the torment that he's going through, because he called me. Immediately he heard the news. He called me to ask whether it is true. And I told him that, yes, but the news out there is that he has been found. So that is all we are all basing our hopes on, and seeking the face of the Most High God to preserve him, because we had no knowledge about where exactly he was. So when the news came out that my brother and friend and co-footballer had passed on, immediately the president called me to inquire if it is true. And not being able to affirm what the news is saying, if I don't get it from the right source, I will not. So I had to call the GFA, and the GFA told me that yes, indeed, that is the information they have. So from there, I relayed the message to him, and he decided to send this delegation to just come and express his condolences to the whole family, and at the appropriate time, he himself will come. So I'll continue what he has written. I would like to express my deepest condolences and sincere sympathy to the bereaved family and to his friends everywhere for this irreplaceable loss.
President Dr. George Mani Weah ke ngela ni ede ku okay Atsu babe ne ba be ho de do wa we ele ke Atsu o abi ne ma replace see.
Rest in peace, small brother, Dr. George Mane Weah, President of the Republic of Liberia. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Yes, and this is an envelope too from him of $10,000 US to be given to the bereaved, and he has written it on it to the late Christian Atsu bereaved family from President George M. Weah, President of the Republic of Liberia. So I give this all to the family.
Presentation.
Let's see what it is.
Thank you. Much okay.
Okay, Mechumi, good morning.
Head of family would like to thank you very much. Thank our president for the kind gesture.
Madam,
Thank you very much.
Mechumi.
Thank you.
We've opened a book of condolence for our brother. So the leader of the delegation will go and pen his message on behalf of the president of Liberia.
Sorry. Oh, man.
Asa